So let me show you what the transfer pricing course looks like. After you've logged on, you'll get your number of courses that you have available in your package, and it starts like this. So here's an overview. There's some general information first, and then we start with the classes. These classes pretty much follow the audit syllabus point by point. You can see there are, I think there are 9 or 10 points going to permanent establishments and tax disputes, and you can see how long every class is here. Other issues are issues I've added to the course. So we talk about the base erosion and profit shifting with BEPS project. We talk about the interaction between customs and transfer pricing, and then we've got some videos on Pillar 1 and Pillar 2 as well. We've got going through some old exam papers in detail. I tell you how I would approach the questions and issues like that. And then we've got case law by itself as well. Let's just start at the beginning, and I'll show you what is in the beginning, because there is some useful info there. First of all, there's an introductory video, which is pretty much what you're seeing now. Then there are some quick tips explaining what one can do. You can speed up the video. You need to not use Microsoft Internet Explorer, because that doesn't work very well. There's a course schedule, which is in Excel, which explains to you which classes covers which materials, and which materials refer to which chapters in the transfer pricing guidelines and the UN practical manual, and which case law goes with those materials. There's also a video and some text on the reading material. The main issue is that I cannot provide you with the OECD transfer pricing guidelines or the model convention, because those things are copyright protected, so you need to order them. I suggest that you do it in the form of Kees van Raad's book, which is the volume A materials on international transfer pricing and EU tax law for 65 euros. Then I have a section where I explain what updates have been to the course. So if you haven't watched for a week or 3, or you want to rehearse for your exams, you can always come back here and see what material has been added. There's also the old audit papers and the model answers in there. And if you miss a class, you can always come and watch the classes here. You can see these videos like this that you can see. And then there is the same classes for exam rehearsals. And then we start with the lectures themselves. As I said, they follow the audit syllabus. So here you can see that there might be some text, and there would be a video explaining things to you, and there may be a quiz asking, checking for yourself whether you followed the material correctly. There's always PDF copies of the slides, so you can use those to make notes on if you wish, and you can leave comments in the sections if you wish to do that as well. And then the next chapter will be on the arm's length principle, and there's the same build up again. You can see it starts with a video. It has the slides of the video. It has some questions. It has some, and then space for comments. So this is the way the course is built up. You can see these again follow exactly the methods. I tried to put in some practical examples based on case studies as well for you, so you can use those. And the case law sections and the additional material sections are very much the same as well. The case law you might be used to seeing on my weekly or bi-weekly videos, with again the video, the slides, the case itself, or the cases itself in this case, and then there will be coming in time questions about these cases, so you can review them for yourselves. I hope this gives you enough information. If you feel like you need more, do not hesitate to write me at johan.h.muller@gmail.com. Bye for now.